As-salaamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. I welcome you all back into this video. So today I'm going to show you how you can generate contents for your ebook. In the previous video, I taught you how you can generate title for your ebook. Now, after generating a title for your ebook, the next thing you want to do is to what? Is to generate content for that particular topic. Okay, so there are ways of getting content. The very first way is by getting materials or getting someone to teach you on what you want to write about, or going to libraries to get books, read and digest, and give out what you have consumed. Or you can go online to read about articles, workshops, and ideas on what you want to write about, and bring back put down what you have understood. Okay, that's a way of getting content. If it is an ebook about let's say when you are writing about your niche, or about a niche, or about a skill. Let's say someone who wants to write about on how to run Facebook ads. Okay, it is what you have known. Okay, it's what you've known. So it shouldn't be that hard for you. Okay, to write about it. So you just have to be bringing it from upstairs and putting it down. But if you are a type that don't want to, you can't afford to be reading books all the day, 2 3 4 days before gathering them into an ebook. So you can still generate content. You can still generate content using AI. Yes, you can generate content using AI. So let me now show you how you can generate content now. So in the previous video, before I continue, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment. If you like what I am teaching, kindly support this channel by sharing it with your friends. Give your sincere review in the comment section. Like, thank you. So after choosing a title, we told ChatGPT to choose the best title for this what do we call it, for this our what do we call it, sorry, I think I'm mistaken. So this is not what we used the other day. Anyway, it is what we've chosen a title: accelerate your car dealership business using blah blah blah. Let me check it out. Yeah guys, so this is our topic. You can see this is it here. So accelerate your profits, proven strategies for dominating the car sales game. So this is what ChatGPT choose for us as the most effectively trigger most effectively trigger action. Okay, now I want to generate content on this title. What do I do? So just come here. So we now want to ask ChatGPT to give us content. Okay, so the very first thing is to what? Just tell him write content on the topic below. What is the topic? I have it copied here. Accelerate your what? Your profit. Proving strategies for dominating car dealership, car sales game. So let's go. Let's see what's gonna give us. Let's see what's gonna give us. Okay. Now here we go, guys. Here we go. Now this is it. This is what you want to write about. You can see. Now, welcome to the overview. Greet the readers. Introduce the ebook. You can see it is telling you how you are going to write this ebook already. Now, brief outline what readers can expect from the ebook. You are going to do that on your own. Okay, you are going to do that on your own. But if otherwise, you can still do that with ChatGPT. Now, the second part of it is the evolving landscape of car sales, page 2 to 3. You can see that discuss the changes in the automotive industry. You can see now all these outline, all these contents. Now is ChatGPT that's still going to do the remaining job. I'm going to show you how you can do that now. I'm going to show you how you can do that now. Now, discuss the changes in the automotive industry. Now, let me let me select it. Okay, I'll now copy it. After copying it, then what do I do? I come back here and paste it. Then it's going to give me results. Let's see what's gonna give. Guys, see this. Guys, see this. This is amazing. So for this that part, okay, which is the first part of this ebook, or the first chapter of the ebook, not even the first chapter itself, the introductory part. See what ChatGPT is giving me. You can see. What do? I'll just copy this and paste it in the ebook. I'll just copy this and do what? And paste it. So for that aspect, for the aspect of discuss the changes in the automotive industry, that one, it has gone. But I will still advise you to go through what ChatGPT give you. Okay, so that there may be some kind of error sometimes, so that you are not going to mess up with the whole thing. So make sure you go through it. If there is any amendment, you can still ask ChatGPT to to give summary of all this. If you think it is too much, okay, you can still tell ChatGPT to give you summary of the whole story, and it's going to reduce it for you. After getting that, you move you come up, you come here again, you highlight the second one. I like the importance of adapting to these changes. You can see, you copy it, you come back here again, you paste it, it's going to give you content. Let's see what's going on. You see, ChatGPT, you can see how amazing this can be. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. You can see, very simple with ChatGPT. Guys, we can do anything with ChatGPT. Just imagine it and put it to action. Okay, so with this, you can generate as enough of content you want for your ebook. Get it ready. Okay, now I'm challenging every for the HIGD members. Okay, for the HIGD members, I want each and every one of you, okay, to generate a title, okay, a title for your niche based on the video, the explanation I made in the previous video. So generate a title for your ebook, which is going to be the practical aspect of this video, of this training anyway. So generate a title, generate content for that title, okay, generate content for that title. And before I drop the next video, please make sure you submit, probably on Monday. So I'm going to drop another video, so please make sure to submit that. I want to see if truly you understand this. And if you don't know how to manipulate ChatGPT, I've written an ebook on ChatGPT, how to get the best from ChatGPT, and it is called ChatGPT Prompt. If you need the ebook, comment in the section, leave your comment in the comment section below. So I'm going to send you the link to get the ebook. So with this, I've taught you how you can generate as much content as you want for your ebook without need to be reading, taking this book to the other, reading one book to another. So with this, you are good to go. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment in the comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.